Well, as part of first anniversary celebrations, Prime Minister Modi addressed a rally at Mathura on Monday, highlighting the performance of his government. Here's a look at hits and misses.
From his first photo opportunity at the Parliament's doorstep after a clean sweep. PM Modi has come a long way, from making promises to launching popular schemes.
ये सरकार गरीबों को समर्पित सरकार है। ये सरकार गरीबों के लिए है।
Striking a chord with different world leaders, winning some over while negotiating with the others.
We agreed that our meeting in New Delhi should be a historic opportunity for both our countries. He stated that it was incumbent on both of us to work together to achieve our common objectives for peace and development.
A look at the Modi Sarkar report card has some hits to his credit.
बुरे दिन गए कि नहीं गए, बुरे दिन गए कि नहीं गए, लूटने वालों के दिन खत्म हुए कि नहीं हुए.
But the road ahead is much tougher, with key legislation stuck in a parliament logjam.
People with a confused mind thinking that growth-oriented politics is only corporate-oriented politics. In fact, the best response to poverty is growth.
His own ministers who refuse to give up their polarizing views,
propagated by the RSS ideology of Ghar Wapsi and love jihad and many other issues which they took up. So in totality, if we speak, the government has been a big failure.
An unpredictable ally in PDP, which continues to challenge centre's Pakistan diplomacy.
Undoubtedly, all surveys show that the level of support that they enjoyed in May 2014 has declined sharply by May 2015.
There are facts that the BJP may have to reconcile with, but has Modi been able to deliver on his Achhe Din promise? While the first year will be remembered for visual grandeur, the voter or the common man will now want to see his life take a better turn. On that respect, challenge remains for the Modi Sarkar. Bureau Report, Times Now.